Hello, everyone. Today, we're delving into a topic that forms the cornerstone of financial success, savings and investments. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your wealth-building strategies, understanding the dynamics of saving and investing is crucial. Let's explore practical ways to grow your wealth and secure a prosperous future. Section 1. The power of saving. Let's begin with the foundation, saving. Saving is not just about setting money aside, it's about creating a financial safety net and building a foundation for future investments. It's the first step towards financial security. Section 2. Setting savings goals. Effective saving starts with clear goals. Whether it's an emergency fund, a down payment for a home, or a dream vacation, having specific savings goals provides direction and motivation for your financial journey. Section 3. Creating a budget for savings. A budget is your financial roadmap. Allocate a portion of your income to savings right from the start. Treating savings as a non-negotiable expense ensures that you prioritize your financial future in your day-to-day spending. Section 4. Emergency fund essentials. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs and provide peace of mind during challenging times. It's a crucial component of your overall financial well-being. Section 5. Introduction to investments. Now, let's venture into the world of investment. Investments have the potential to grow your wealth over time. From stocks and bonds to real estate, there are various avenues to explore. The key is understanding your risk tolerance and financial goals. Section 6. Diversification and risk management. Diversification is a fundamental principle in investing. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk effectively. A well-diversified portfolio can help you weather market fluctuations and enhance the overall stability of your investment. Section 7. Understanding investment vehicles. Explore different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each has its own risk and return profile. Tailor your investment strategy to align with your financial goals and time horizon. Section 8. Long-term versus short-term investing. Consider your investment horizon. Long-term investing allows your money to compound over time, taking advantage of market growth. Short-term investing may involve more risk but can also present opportunities for quick returns. Align your strategy with your financial objectives. Section 9. Seeking professional advice. If navigating the world of investments feels daunting, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance based on your unique financial situation, helping you make informed decisions. Section 10. Regular monitoring and adjustments. Investing is an ongoing process. Regularly monitor your investments, assess your portfolio's performance, and make adjustments as needed. This proactive approach ensures that your investments align with your evolving financial goals. In conclusion, the synergy between savings and investments is the key to building lasting wealth. By cultivating disciplined saving habits, setting clear goals, and making informed investment decisions, you're laying the groundwork for a financially secure future. Thank you for joining today's discussion on savings and investments. May your financial journey be marked by prosperity, growth, and the fulfillment of your wealth-building goals. Stay financially empowered.